The next deficiency disease is goiter. Goitre. Goiter. It is nothing but there will be a swelling in our neck region. Do you know why? Here we have our thyroid gland. What? Thyroid gland, which is controlling all our body. It is also an important gland. So it will swell like this. See the swelling neck region of this person. He is affected by this disease, goiter. This is due to the cause of iodine deficiency. Iodine, there is the cooking salt, the common salt we are using for cooking, containing great amount of iodine, and we are also using those salt more for each and everything, isn't it? Without salt we won't eat any food item, the salty items. But nowadays we are using that table salt, which is a powdered one, and also the stone salt, that one also for purification more chemicals are used, so it loses its goodness more, means the iodine is lost, more of the amount will be lost in that. So more than that, this cooking salt, we have to use rock salt. Rock salt means nowadays it is available in the supermarkets, but its price is somewhat greater, but it contains more much amount of iodine. And also other seafoods, fishes, which is we are getting from the seas, and other seafoods, seafood items will provide this iodine for our body, and consuming those we will get rid of this disease, goiter. The next disease is scurvy. What? Scurvy. S-C-U-R-V-Y. Scurvy. S-C-U-R-V-Y. Scurvy. The scurvy is nothing but bleeding gums. Bleeding gums. Gums means this part of our mouth, the what? Muscles, otherwise the flesh which is attached our teeth with the what? See? See? This is called gum. And these gums are bleeding. For a normal person, the gums won't bleed often, isn't it? Otherwise, unless we hit somewhere, otherwise any sharp or object hit on our gums only, our gums will bleed. But the person who affected by scurvy will bleed often like this. So, bleeding gums, he will suffer due to the deficiency of the vitamin C. So what we can do? The regular very simple things which we can buy and consume, like lemon, oranges, gooseberries, those are containing enormous amount of vitamin C. So consuming that, we can get rid of this what? Disease, scurvy. And next one is anemia. What? Anemia. Anemia. Anemia is nothing but fall in hemoglobin level in blood and weakness. Is means what? What is hemoglobin? We know blood which is flowing all over our body, isn't it? Inside. In that, the blood is in red color. This hemoglobin is a component which give the color of the blood. Red color is given by this hemoglobin. Not only that, it takes, the blood takes the oxygen and the extract of food, juice of the food, energy of the food what we are consuming to each and every part of our body. So if the count of this hemoglobin is decreases, the taking amount of oxygen and the food to each and every part will be reduced, isn't it? So through that our body become weak. So this stage, otherwise this condition is called anemia. This is due to the deficiency of iron. Deficiency of iron, this anemia is happening. For that, see, I have a picture for that. See, only hands I am showing. In that, one hand is in red color and another hand is in yellow color. Yellow color means pale white, we are saying that. Why this hand is in pink? Red means not red, it is pink color. Because he is stronger. His hemoglobin count is correct. So, his this hand is general, normal, healthier person hand. But this one is looking pale. Pale means the count of hemoglobin is very less, and this hand person is affected by anemia. Okay. So the deficiency of iron make this decreasing hemoglobin level in the blood, and also make the person feeling weak. He will become tired even if he step up or step down 10 steps. Even he walked a few meters, otherwise few steps, he become weak. He feel weak. Always he feel tired. So to get rid of this, we have to eat more spinach, the leafy vegetables. More leafy vegetable, spinach, nuts, pulses, fish and eggs. We have to consume more. We will increase the the counts of hemoglobin. And also the fruits, some kind of fruits, some kind of vegetables like beetroot, like dates, the fruit like dates. Also resins, means that dry grapes. Those are all increase the blood level in our body, and we can get rid of the anemia. The next one is kwashiorkor. What? Kwashiorkor. That is a new name you are hearing. Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor and marasmus. Is nothing but, that is also a deficiency disease that's happened due to the lack of protein. This kwashiorkor you may watch in some advertisement in TV and all, when they are showing the poverty, the very poor people, and those you may watch the children like this, having swelling, otherwise bulged stomach. So their stomach are not bulged with food. They eat a lot of food, so it is bulged. They have the deficiency of protein, so they affected by the disease kwashiorkor. Okay. And what is marasmus means? It is nothing but, see this child, how it is. It have only the skin and bone, isn't it? The legs and hands are very thin. It's very weak. So the lack of protein will leads to this marasmus and also the kwashiorkor, this stage. So for these both, we have to consume more amount of protein food like pulses, egg, milk, etc. And students, I showed some pictures to you about these diseases. So from that, you have to realize how lucky you are because you don't have any deficiency disease. I hope so. You are that much lucky. Your parent and God taking that much care of you. So my dear children, the deficiency diseases are due to the lack of food. Okay, you are having what? Enough food in correct time, isn't it? So hereafter, don't waste food because in our world there are number of people are suffering under poverty and they don't have enough food eating for one time in a day. We are consuming food for at least 3 times per day, isn't it? So hereafter don't waste any food and also don't say no to any food, means the healthier food. You have to consume leafy food, vegetables, fruits and milk, the pulses, grains, nuts, egg, fishes, meat, but everything should be in a proper amount. Okay, because in this textbook it is given consuming meat, egg, chicken is good for health, so I will eat more amount of that, won't help you. It is not a proper one. Everything should be in a correct amount, correct ratio. That only become a proper diet.